Continuing with the 13 midos of Rabbi Yishmael, Rabbi Yishmael says, "B'shlosh esrei midos haTorah nidreshes." The Torah is interpreted by means of 13 rules. Kal v'chomer, as we said, if the Torah gives us a law in a lighter case, then it applies to a major one for sure. Gzera shava, when there are two things that are described with the same word in the Torah, we apply principles from one to the other. Mibinyanov, mikosav echon, mibinyanov, mishnei ksuvim. Then the similarity, a general principle, which is contained in one place, is applicable to the other place where there is the same type of general principle. And now the fourth one, michlal uprat, which is translated when a generalization is followed by a specification, only what it specifies applies. In other words, let's just say a general statement. I say, please go to the store and buy food, milk, bread, and eggs. So when I said, even though I started off by saying food, which is a general statement for many types of things that are consumed, when I said milk, bread, and eggs, I mean only those specific ones. So the examples in the Torah, in the beginning of the book of Vayikra, it says, "Adam ki yakriv mikem korban lashem min habehema." When you offer a sacrifice from the behema, behema means a domesticated animal. And then the Torah goes on to say, "Min habakar, min hatzon," from the cattle and from the sheep. And therefore, it means to include only those two. If there are other domesticated animals, or there are breeds of other animals, if it's not included in the specific terms of the cattle, let us call them cows, or in the sheep, which also happens to include, the term tzon goes for goat also, but if it would be some other animal similar to those, it's not included in that. Or, for example, when the Torah says, don't marry a relative, and then the Torah afterwards lists a number of specific relatives. So it means only those relatives that are listed here, even though there might be other people to whom I am related. So the Torah says, don't take a man, his mother, his sister, his son's wife, and it says don't take a relative to introduce it. A cousin, therefore, is permitted because the Torah does not list it as one of those forbidden. Klal uprat, when it says the general principle followed by a specific designation, it means only the specific designation. Why then does the Torah tell us the general principle? For another time.